No.
Tell me what happened.
My hand stuck.
What do you mean your hand stuck?
My hand stuck on the refrigerator.
Oh. How'd you do that?
I put my hand in there.
And then what happened?
My hand got stuck.
What's in your mouth? Oh. What's in your mouth? Camera doesn't know what that is.
The camera. Mommy, I don't know what to do.
No more Starburst.
I don't know what to do, Mama.
Do what?
Put your hand.
Do what?
My hand, because look it. My hand's stuck.
Well, do something.
Something I gotta do. Ow. That hurt.
What's your hand stuck?
Don't leave it.
Son?
I don't know. Oh. Won't come out.
How about we put butter on it?
No!
We can have it down with butter. It'll get all loose.
No.
Mikey, how did you get your hand in there?
I put my hand in there. It's almost out because look it. This is the one that can't go out.
Are you drooling everywhere? I think you're trying to look it.
No, you seriously can't get it out.
Get your hand straight. Now try to do it.
You seriously can't get it out.
What are you going to do, bud?
I don't know.
Well, we can feed you from here. Can we?
No!
What are you doing with your other hand? What is that going to help you get your hand out?
No, I'm scratching you.
What did you me for?
Hey, Mommy,
Guess what?
we got us a babysitter.
Oh, yeah, we can feed you.
All right.
Can someone get this thing out? One is out.
Oh, son, come on. No.
Okay, I'll help you.
Son, look. Let me show you. Look.
Pay attention. Pay attention.
Mikey, pull it up. Up. That's all you had to do, bud.
Poor baby.
Silly.
You okay? You know we wouldn't leave you like that, right? Stop putting it in there.